go. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got another guy over here.
How are you doing today, sir?
Doing well. How are you?
All right. Somebody just called, just reporting suspicious activity. We were out recording a bunch of government buildings, so.
I'm just out taking some pictures.
All right.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of KYR News, we will be covering videos from multiple YouTube channels. The first video is from ETA News New England. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. The First Amendment is the backbone of our nation. You have the First Amendment right to film any public official in the line of duty. If the public official is in public, your First Amendment right supersedes their right to privacy. Remember, you do not have to answer any of their questions, and that includes giving your name.
All right.
Sounds good to me.
Awesome.
Recording a security report.
I'm recording what I can see from a public space.
All
Is that illegal?
No.
Awesome.
Do you have official business at the police department?
I'm a journalist gathering content for a story.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right.
So we all good? This is a consensual encounter, right?
Yeah, we're just talking.
Yeah, okay.
So,
Yeah,
Yeah, nobody
absolutely.
told you you were detained.
Yeah, nobody told you you were being detained.
No, absolutely. Well, I'm just making sure.
sure.
What's your name and badge number?
My name's Officer Landrigan, badge number 131.
131. And what's your name and badge number?
Route 158.
Thank you very much. You guys have been very respectful. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your day, man, okay?
Absolutely. Have a good day. Now we can see if they leave us alone. Two cameras. Kind of hard to get the two cameras. Let's see if they respect my right to continue filming. Oh, 4 cop cruisers. 4 of them. Well, folks, I'm going to tell you right now, that was an incredibly good encounter. As long as they keep it this way, then they are doing absolutely nothing wrong.
Today's second video is brought to you by For the People's Rights. Again, please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Can I help you?
So make sure I get your face.
Yeah, me too.
Make sure I get a clear shot. You get your wearing in case something goes wrong.
Oh, yeah, man.
All right.
Take it out.
Can I
man.
help you?
Ah, can I help you?
Huh? Yeah, I work here. I just want to make sure I get your picture.
All right.
Can I help you, bro?
All right.
What are you videoing for?
What?
What are you videoing for? Make sure you get it. That's right, get
What's
it.
your name?
What are you videoing for?
What's your name?
What are you videoing
What's your name, officer?
for? What are you videoing for?
What's your name?
Why are you here videoing?
I'm asking you for your name.
You don't have to have one.
Yes, I
don't
do.
have to. No, you don't.
Hey, yes, I do.
No, you
That's your
don't.
policy.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I can ask you for your name and badge number.
Well, I'm not giving it to you. I want to know what
You don't
why
wanna
you
give it to
videoing
me?
the building.
All right.
Why are you videoing the building?
All right, well, tell me it.
Huh?
You don't want to give me your badge.
Why?
and-
I don't have to. Why are you videoing the building?
You don't have to, right?
Why are you videoing the building?
Because I want to.
All right.
That's
The
my
police
right.
are on the way. I got a marked unit coming for you, okay?
Yep. Let them know, man.
I got your picture, buddy.
How you doing, sir? How are you?
I just wanted to check to see if everything was okay.
Everything's good. I'm just videotaping facility. Yeah,
And you're locally from the area?
I'm from everywhere.
You're from everywhere?
Yeah.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Doug Johnson.
Doug Johnson?
Yes.
Where do you work here or what?
Yes, I do.
What's your badge number?
I'm the deputy chief.
Deputy Chief?
My badge number is 116.
116? Okay.
Is there a problem?
No, there's no problem.
Do you have any ID on you?
What do you need my ID for?
Because we're a little concerned.
Concern?
With someone, this is the Monmouth County Prosecutor's Office.
Right. It's probably public property.
Is it?
Yep. Right. Who funds facility?
But you know, you would understand that.
No, I
You would
understand.
be
I
a little
mean,
concerned if someone.
oh, of course, of
came
course.
and was
I mean, I didn't go
was
inside.
videotaping your home.
Of course.
You
No,
would be a
of
little
course.
concerned.
Well, that's private property. You can't go in there.
No,
This is public
if
property.
somebody's standing on the street.
Right.
on
Well,
the
they could
sidewalk
do
in front of your
that.
house,
They could do that.
Would you be a little concerned if somebody came
I
and
will.
started
I'll
videotaping?
call the cops like you guys did, which is perfect. I'm I'm not mad at that.
Okay.
All right, but I'm just saying, like, I have the right to be here.
Okay. I'm sorry, but I
Right.
didn't catch your name.
You don't have to know my name, officer.
Okay, so you don't want to give me your name?
No.
Okay. Take care. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Yes. You don't have to give me your name, man. Hell no.
Last and final video today is brought to you by Tennessee Valley Transparency. Again, please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel.
Taking anything today?
Taking anything? No.
Drinking any?
No.
Use drugs any?
Absolutely not.
No.
No.
Where you from?
I'm born and raised in this area.
In this area?
Mhm.
How old are you?
Old enough.
Old enough.
Yeah, we're 21. I'm getting that one.
I mean, I understand what you're trying to do. You're just trying to get all the information you can.
Yeah.
But if they called in from that shop down there, yeah, I had my reasons for being there and taking pictures of their place. I didn't get on their property, never stood on their property. Did I get your name and badge number?
Can I have
a
your name
tag?
now?
No. You have a lawful reason to get it from me? Lawful
Yeah,
reason?
people have called in on you.
Okay. Did they say I was committing any crimes?
No, they didn't. They're nervous about what you're doing
They're nervous because I'm holding a camera?
because you're videoing their business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they can be nervous. They can be happy, they can be sad, they can be whatever they want to be. Whatever they choose to do is on them. Just because I'm there, how they react is on them, not me. I'm a journalist, gathering content for a story.
You have a badge?
No. Nobody issues press credentials, man. I'm an independent journalist. You have to work for CBS or NBC to end up with that crap.
So does anybody pay you to be a journalist?
No. No, I'm independent. I write stories, I post them, YouTube, Facebook, wherever.
You say with him.
Doing all right? See Allison?
Yes, sir.
What's your badge number?
My badge number is 2514.
2514.
Yes, sir.
He didn't give me his. Can I get that? He didn't have a name tag
I
on.
don't know his badge number,
Good.
but we can get that information before we break from here.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you ask for name and badge number?
I did, sir, please.
Deputy Moats, badge
Moats.
number 2567.
Hello YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember to go over and check out all of these 3 YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channels. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.